Hey YT family, it's Doll Baby 4400. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I hope you guys will stay and subscribe. And to my old riders, love you guys bunches. I got a quick announcement, and you guys that are new, I hope you'll stay and subscribe. I wanted to get this video out because I told you guys I will be possibly moving because, well, it was a definite my last video. Now I might be staying because I might be working something out with my new owner of my home. So let's just pray on it, guys. So I wanted to show you my guest bedroom, really different from my my master bedroom. I just came with a different look, guys. I love this look, maybe changing it up. So I just wanted to show it to you really quick. This bedroom is so lovely. This is an Ashley bedroom set. I thought it would just be different. I thought I was covering up the stuff behind it, but that's some Christmas wrapping stuff. And it's just a storage area, guys. I have very little storage space in this house, but I really love the house. I've made it my own. Let's start over this area. This area right here is the door to the bedroom, and I have a rack right here for my shoes. And inside the closet, which is nothing really to look at, but another rack of shoes. And then I have right here where I hang my coats and my hats, and I have some mirrors right here. Guys know me, know I love mirrors. If you guys can remember, this room actually was the dining room where I used to do a lot of my filming. And this was originally a bedroom, and I changed it into a dining room because I had a formal dining room, and I don't think that you should use a formal dining room in your kitchen. This, you guys, is a mirror, guys. And I bling the mirror out, guys. You know, I always got to bling something out. And this is the bathroom. Guys, I think I showed this a while back. But, oop, almost fell over. But this is one of the nightstands to the set. And the lamp I bought at, I want to say, it might have been Goodwill, Salvation Army, something like that. You know, I'm a freak for candle holders and candles and mirrors. This piece I got probably at Goodwill or something to that nature. And then you guys know I'm crazy about elephants as well. The bed is a platform bed, just a simple platform bed. I love the headboard as well. My pillows I got at Home Goods, except for the white pillows with the gold in it, I got from Goodwill. And of course, I got them washed, steamed, clean. The comforter and the pillows that match the comforter in the back, I got from Wayfair. And guys, I know you probably remember that. It was in my dining room. I got that from Goodwill and just fixed it up, along with and I got the wooden blinds in here as well. And that serving dish I got from Goodwill, as well as these panels, these wooden panels, which I love. The piece in the middle I got from Hobby Lobby, as well as the other wooden panel. The lamp I got from Goodwill. The candle holders I got from Goodwill as well. And the little African ladies down the bottom, I got as they were willed to me. They're really from Africa. I got from my great-grandmother. And this piece right here, I made to go up on my wall. This one fell, but that one stayed. The TV is just a regular mounted TV. I love this mirror, guys. And I'm going to tell you why I love this mirror so much. Because I love a round mirror. And the hardware on this is steel. So I really love it. And I just think it's really cute. And I just have the accented rugs to accent the colors in this room. Very warm. I placed a plant there, as I always do, because I think a plant always makes a room brighter. And just comfortable. I think it's very, very comfortable. I have a little white blended in there. And yeah, so this is my guest bedroom. When my family comes down from Baltimore or wherever they're from, they come and they stay here in the room. And I try to make it as comfortable as possible. I hope you guys are inspired by my room. Thank you for watching, subscribing, and supporting. Love you guys. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.